skill training video has been produced by Semker in collaboration with PSSC and CNK. This video is aligned to the job role Electrician Domestic Solutions, PSS/Q 6001, QP code PSS/N 6002. We are going to learn the step-by-step procedure of how to check insulation resistance of motor winding between live conductor and earth. Also, we will know how to check winding resistance and capacitor capacitance. Insulation resistance of motor winding. Insulation resistance or IR tests are useful for examine motor insulation systems. Users should consider aspects such as recording conditions and watching for factors that may have an impact on the test to ensure maximum accuracy. There are many ways to assess motor insulation systems. However, insulation resistance IR test remains a useful tool for determining whether a motor should be removed from or placed into service. When conducting the tests and evaluating the results, consider these tips. Disconnect the power supply connected to motor. Discharge motor winding for safety and accuracy. Record important test conditions. Watch for factors that can affect the IR test. Evaluate the test results. Now you're seeing ceiling fan which use in domestic purposes, which operate at single phase 230 volt AC supply voltage. Now we will check insulation resistance between phase wire and earth. You are seeing the digital megger through which we will check insulation resistance of ceiling fan. To connect megger red probe with red wire and black probe of megger with ceiling fan shaft. The ceiling fan operates at 230 volt. Therefore, we are going to supply 250 volt DC through megger for 60 seconds. After that, we are pressing the test button. You're seeing after 60 seconds value coming around 10.34 gigaohm. Insulation resistance value gives an indication to us that value of insulation is in proper condition. In the same way, we can check the insulation resistance of other wires with earth. Now we will check resistance of motor winding and capacitance of capacitor. Now we will check winding resistance of ceiling fan with the help of digital multimeter. We set the multimeter in resistance mode. Now we are checking winding resistance between red and black wire. We have connected multimeter red probe to red wire and black probe to black wire. Resistance value coming around 209 ohm. Resistance between blue wire and black wire coming around 180 ohm and between red and blue wire coming around 398 ohm. By this way, we can define starting winding terminal in which resistance value is higher, that is 209 ohm. Running winding terminal in which value came around 180 ohm. Now we will check capacitor, for which first we will select capacitance mode in multimeter. Now we will check the value which is coming around 2 microfarad. Value coming as per nameplate of capacitor. It is showing that the capacitor is in good condition.